Form a ring with your cord and overlap the ends so there is about 7 to 8 inches on either side. Fold one end over to make a loop. Take the end of the cord that you just formed the loop with and wrap around all the cords toward the loop. Wrap 2 to 3 times toward the loop. Then put the end of that cord through the loop. Hold on to that end and just push the barrel knot you just made towards the end to tighten it all up. Now we will repeat this process on the other side. Make a loop and wrap 2 to 3 times over all the cord toward the loop. Put the end through the loop and then push the knot up to tighten it all up. And your sliding barrel knots are finished. Cut the ends and melt them with a lighter if you're using a synthetic or paracord. Pull in front of the barrel knots to make your bracelet or necklace looser, and pull the barrel knots apart to make it tighter.